it is safe to say it's a pretty sweet marriage for Renee and Walter Curtis. Did I pronounce that right?
Perfect, you got it right.
They're the husband and wife duo behind the Pure Chocolate Company. And I guess they're having dessert for breakfast, which is fine. Morning to you both. Welcome to
morning.
Jamaica.
Thank you for having us.
Since me kind of nosy and stuff, how did you guys meet?
We are both pastry chefs, and we both work in the tourism industry.
Okay. And
Right. So I came to Jamaica and found the lady of my life.
You're married for how long now?
About 5 years. Yeah.
All right, congrats.
Thank you.
Fantastic. And then how did you guys meet chocolate?
We traveled to St. Lucia.
Got the opportunity there to work in a resort where I learned to make tree-to-bar chocolate. So I got shown all the techniques to make chocolate from scratch. And with that knowledge coming back, we said, you know what, we know that Jamaica has one of the 5 best cocoa flavors in the world, and we have to do something with that.
Yeah. How quickly can you tell me how to make chocolate from scratch?
From scratch. So
How quickly can you tell me?
reap the beans, ferment, dry, roast, grind, mold, package, sell. Quick enough?
That is very quick. Slower.
All right.
So where you get the beans?
We get the beans from Mr. Bodie in Portland.
Okay.
He brings the beans down to Spanish Town, where we ferment and dry them. And after that, they come up to Trelawney, where we further process them. We temper the chocolate. We handle the chocolate properly, so you get the snap and shine that you want. And then we put them in molds and wrap them by hand, so each bar is hand wrapped. And then they're being packaged in these boxes with the artwork of Taj Francis on it.
Yeah. How long is the process from start to finish?
If I take a cocoa pod from the tree, it takes you from pod to bar about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Renee, it looked pretty.
Thank you.
So the different ones here, and I'll hold this up, guys. This one says jerk seasoning
Right.
chocolate bar.
Yes. It's a 70% dark chocolate with jerk seasoning.
68% slow roasted
Nibs.
nibs, farm to bar, single origin.
Right. Single origin meaning it's from one estate in Jamaica. We are currently using one farmer, as my husband mentioned, Mr. Bodie in Portland. And these are, if it wasn't for him,
Yeah.
we wouldn't have these bars.
The next one says 75% pure chocolate, farm to bar, single origin. Same thing.
Right. So
Right.
what we're doing is dark chocolate,
Yeah.
different grades of dark chocolate, so you get different bitternesses.
Yeah.
And the nibs, for example, give a little bit of crunch. A nib is a roasted piece of cocoa bean.
Okay.
Yeah, and there you go. So each type of bar will pair with something
And then
different.
the final one says 84% pure chocolate, farm to bar.
Which is our strongest bar,
Yeah.
the most bitter.
Right.
I like the packaging. And
Thank
so you sell this like this, or you sell
Like
it
that as well.
individually?
Yes. These
We
are-
do sell them individually, but these are now in collection. So we're doing it in groups of 4.
How much of this?
It's about 10
10.
$1,000.
Jamaican.
Yes,
Boxes
about 10.
handmade,
You know,
boxes
if I have
handmade.
$20, I was going to buy 2.
No, you can buy the bar for
We
$20.
can buy
No worry, we'll take
No,
it.
Jamaican.
All right, no worry. No, $20 Jamaican is not gonna get it. You can get a sample. Don't worry.
And it's, when you say dark chocolate,
Right.
it's
There's no
just-
milk. There is no.
No allergens. It's just 2 ingredients. We use cocoa beans and sugar. So we really try to keep it as healthy as possible, of course. And because our percentages are higher, our bars are full of antioxidants, so that helps you digest your foods. It's actually good for you.
I was just going to say that. Chocolate does what for you?
It helps you, well, the antioxidants in chocolate actually help you digest your food. That's why a lot of people crave a little chocolate after a heavy meal.
Right.
You're not craving chocolate, you're craving something to help you digest that, and then you
Yeah.
find that in chocolate.
You told me about the polish and date each bar by hand.
Right.
It says complete traceability throughout our production is guaranteed,
Absolutely.
which means what?
Which means that I can show you everything we do. There's no hidden agendas. We want you to know that when you buy our bar, you buy a product that is honest, that is sincere, that is pure.
Yeah.
So if you have any question about my process, I can show you every step of the way what we do. There's no backdoor buying of beans. There's no wrong ways of labor. There's just,
Yeah.
it's traceable.
Brilliant stuff. Great to meet you both.
Thank you.
Fantastic. I know you told me, or you didn't tell me where you sell it, but if someone was watching and want to sell your stuff, how do they find you?
They can find us on our Instagram, that's Pure Chocolate Company, and
Which is on the screen right now, yeah?
right, and on our Facebook also. And we are located in Things Jamaica in all their 3 stores. And in Montego Bay, we are at the DLE Cafe and the shops off Rosal.
And then we're at
Half
Grande
Moon.
View. Grande View, yeah. And Ocho Rios, we're in a couple of resorts as well. So if you're in the resort, you can go there.
Brilliant, brilliant. Great to meet you guys.
Thank you.
so much.
And good luck.
Thank you.
Pray that you're together forever. The husband and wife duo behind the Pure Chocolate Company, Renee and Walter Chirchis.